Because of this brand new meme coin strategy, I'm almost a crypto millionaire. So just give me a few days and I will be there soon. But if you want to learn exactly what I do to make this kind of money, make sure to watch until the end. Just over a month ago, I used to trade meme coins every single day, trying to get rich, trying to make it all happen. But the truth is that every single time I invested my money into a coin, for some reason, bro, it just got me mad and every single coin went to zero. Like this coin, for example, it's a perfect example. I used to buy right here, and here, and every single time I bought in, it just dipped to complete zero. And that's exactly how everything changed for me. I realized that the people who are controlling these coins are making so much money, because when they create the coin, all they have to do is wait for buyers to buy in, and when the market cap and the liquidity is really high, they simply just dump the coin and they walk away with a shit ton of money in their wallets. And now I am the one who is behind these coins and making a lot of money. That is my secret strategy. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to run this whole strategy and make a lot of money on repeat on demand. But obviously this video is for educational purposes only. Please don't copy me. Cap. But anyways, now the first thing you have to do is find a website to launch coins. The only website that actually works is called tokens.fun. Okay, it's tokens.fun. It's the #1 launchpad on YouTube. And the reason why thousands of people use this website is because all the coins are going to be launched on the Raydium DEX, which means that it will be immediately graduated and you will have full control over the liquidity. But if you launch coins on Pump.Fun, on the other hand, well, you will get nowhere. The market caps are too low, you can't even control the liquidity, and it's too saturated. So please, to maximize the profits, head over to this site. Now, there's two ways to go about making the coin, okay, on this site. You could either make it from scratch, so you would make a fully custom coin to your liking. Now, if a viral meme came out, if someone made a tweet like Elon Musk or Trump, well, you would simply come here, pick a name, pick a symbol, put an image, and just like that, your coin is born. But honestly, bro, I just hate looking for narratives and like doing all that marketing stuff. I want to make money fast. So I would highly recommend to use the second option, and it's by copying trending coins. Basically, all we do is we steal narratives that are already working, coins that are already trending and pumping on Pump.Fun, and we list them back up on the Raydium DEX by copying it here. And then we're making way more money than usual, and it's consistent, and you can do this over and over again. But I know you are tired of hearing me yap, so let's make some money. Now, the dog with house just caught my attention. It has a last buy 4 seconds ago and a $21,000 market cap, so I'm honestly going to create the coin. I'll copy it. Your phantom will pop up, go inside of it. And then a warning sign will pop up. It's completely normal. Every single person is gonna get this. Just proceed anyway, confirm, understand, confirm. And then your coin should be shortly created. Boom. And if I go on view on source scan, it is minted on the blockchain and it's actually legit. So I'm gonna come back here, copy here, and click on create liquidity pool. And now obviously it's time to create the Raydium liquidity pool to make the coin actually tradable on Memescope and on the blockchain. So the meme coin and the token B right here, the balance should be pre-selected. Amount token A just hit 90%. That will drop 900 million coins into the pool. Amount token B, you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. This is actually the first buy inside your own coin, which will be you. I usually put 0.4 SOL inside of this, and since you are the first buyer inside your coin, you are not losing this money. It will come back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity later. And now it's time to create the pool, so hit create pool. Your phantom's gonna pop up, yes sir. Now click on confirm, and then click on refresh. And then if you simply just scroll down, you can see that the pool on the Raydium DEX is created, and you can see that we're up $3 within like 1 second. But if you click refresh again, now we're up $50. So it's fucking exponential, bro. People are buying in the second it's launched. But now to view the coin, click on view on Photon. And boom, the coin is live. As you guys can see, it's at the $22,000 market cap. And usually on the Raydium DEX, the coin starts at like 5k, so it's up $15k in market cap. Oh my fucking god, it's actually insane. Oh my god, all the transactions coming in. Oh my god. Let me go on the lower time frame real quick. 5 minutes. Oh my, yo. Wait, let me go on 30 seconds. Yo. It's so volatile right now. What the fuck? We're getting so many transactions every single second. Now guys, as Memecoin launchers, we have to ignore the market cap and we have to be looking at the liquidity and at the volume. Those are the two most important metrics of, like, as devs. Okay, now to check your profits, okay, come back to tokenfast.fun, then click on refresh. And boom! As you can see, we're up 1.4 bandos, bro, off this one launch within like 5 minutes. It's ripping! Oh, it might be even more than that. It's fucking ripping, bro. Oh my god. Yo! Yo, I'm so fucking happy right now because I'm getting this live on camera. Now, I'm gonna give this coin like 5 to 10 minutes and we're gonna be right back. Okay, I'm back for my break. It's been like around 25 minutes, and as you guys can see on screen, it's at a $34,000 market cap, but most importantly, it's at $25,000 in liquidity, which is really good. And now it looks like it has stabilized. Yeah, there's like, there's still transactions coming in left and right. Now, the point of today's video is to make some money. So come back to createtokens.fun. After that, refresh the page to see where the profits are. Okay, we're up $2,432 off this coin right here. And then to remove the liquidity, click on the minus button, and here you can choose how much liquidity you want to remove. You can do the full 100% and remove 2.4 thousand, or you can just do 30% and remove like only 3% of the value. I'm personally going to do around 27% because I still believe in the coin. I think it can go higher. So 27%. Remove the liquidity. And as you guys can see, I will be receiving 4 SOL, which is 30% of the value of the coin. And then simply click on confirm. And boom! We just removed 3% of the supply. If you want to remove the rest, just do it again. It's simple as that. And if I open my Phantom wallet to show you guys proof, as you guys can see, $600 is in my wallet, so it's completely legit.